why only a few months? What changed your mind? Diba?
What do you
did
think?
you...
What do you think? Anong narinig mo? Bakit ba siya tinanggal? Is it performance? Is it what?
Well, Phoenix
Relationship?
did that. Phoenix
Mhm.
did have. Phoenix did not have a good record. But then
Yes.
again, Phoenix always had not a good record. Diba? It's not like
Mm.
this is not. We're not talking about TNT for God's sake. You know,
Mhm.
we're talking about the Phoenix Fuel Masters. Na hindi naman maganda ang personnel nila. This is not a team that's actually loaded with all stars. Diba?
Mhm.
So, and then again, you hire a coach, at least you give him a runway. I-hire mo siya, you give him a chance to build his team, put his own personnel, and you can't just do that in one conference. He inherited a team na kay Coach Jamaic Jaren. So,
Mhm.
you have to establish your voice, establish your presence, your system, diba? And after a conference, pinalitan mo. So, how does that make sense? Si Chris Gavina, coach ng University of the East.